Fade in from black. A soft, golden sunrise stretches over an empty, open highway. The hum of the wind rolls gently across the landscape, interrupted by the distant rumble of an engine. The horizon shimmers with morning light as a solitary figure approaches on a gleaming 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. Chrome catches the first rays of sunlight, and the bike glides forward with effortless grace. The sound of the Milwaukee 8117 engine grows louder, wrapping the viewer in its deep, unmistakable growl, resonating like the pulse of the open road. Out here, the road doesn't end. It stretches endlessly, waiting for those who dare to chase it. This is more than just asphalt and white lines. This is freedom. This is Harley-Davidson. The camera shifts to a side view of the rider, the leather jacket creaking as they adjust their grip on the handlebars. The Batwing fairing cuts cleanly through the wind, its smooth, contoured shape flowing seamlessly from the front to the rear saddle. The Firestorm paint dances under the sun, deep, rich, and alive, reflecting the spirit of craftsmanship poured into every detail. Harley-Davidson doesn't just build motorcycles. We build legends. And in 2025, the legend grows stronger with the Street Glide, a machine at the crossroads of heritage and innovation. The camera draws closer to the engine. Pistons fire in rhythm, highlighting the raw, untamed power housed within. A heart of steel. The Milwaukee 8117 is more than an engine. It's a statement, a testament to the relentless pursuit of performance. Torque that answers with the twist of a wrist. Power that pushes forward, mile after mile. The rider accelerates, and the exhaust crackles gently as the bike glides along the highway. A long, uninterrupted shot stretches ahead, the horizon endless and inviting, the silhouette of rider and machine merging with the rising sun. But power is just part of the story. Riding a Street Glide is about experience, the connection to the road beneath you, the wind guiding you forward. Every element is designed to keep you grounded in the moment, and in total control. The screen shifts to the cockpit. The rider's hand reaches out, tapping the touchscreen display. GPS navigation lights up, and music begins to drift softly from the built-in speakers. A Bluetooth connection icon pulses, effortlessly syncing the rider's smartphone to the bike's system. The 2025 Street Glide isn't just about raw mechanics. It's about the seamless integration of technology and tradition. A full-color TFT touchscreen brings everything to your fingertips: navigation, music, ride stats, and more. Designed to keep you focused, connected, and entertained for the long journey ahead. The camera moves across the handlebars, showcasing the intuitive controls. A gloved hand scrolls through options without hesitation, the rider's eyes never leaving the road. Ease of use, simplicity of design. Harley-Davidson understands that riders demand control without distraction. Voice recognition and handlebar integrated controls ensure your attention stays where it belongs, ahead, on the open road. The rider pulls off at a scenic overlook. The landscape unfurls below, sprawling and vast. The rider steps off, gazing at the world beneath them. Behind, the Street Glide rests in the golden light, its profile sharp and unmistakable against the sky. There's something about riding that can't be explained, only felt. It's in the hum of the engine beneath you. The pulse of the road through the handlebars. The freedom to leave everything behind and rediscover what lies ahead. The rider swings a leg over the saddle once more, the engine rumbling back to life as they ease back onto the highway. The camera lingers on the details, the subtle chrome accents, the curvature of the fairing, the sculpted seat designed for long-haul comfort. Comfort is as essential as performance. The 2025 Street Glide offers refined ergonomics, molding to the rider. Long distances feel effortless, each mile met with the same ease as the first. Saddlebags provide ample storage, plush seating cradles the rider, and advanced suspension smooths the road ahead. This is endurance in motion. Further down the road, others join, a group of riders, each astride their own Harley-Davidson. Together, they form a pack, engines harmonizing into a low, powerful chorus. The road stretches on, shared now, not just by individuals, but by a community. A Harley is more than a motorcycle. It's a bond, a connection shared by those who understand the call of the open road. The Street Glide welcomes you into something greater, a brotherhood of freedom seekers. The camera moves through the group, focusing on different bikes, each reflecting distinct finishes and trims. Whiskey Firestorm, Midnight Firestorm, each unique, each unmistakably Harley. With exclusive finishes and personalized trim options, every Street Glide mirrors its rider. Whether wrapped in the fiery glow of Whiskey Firestorm or draped in the sleek midnight sheen of black trim, every detail speaks of craftsmanship meant to last. The group arrives at a rest stop, parking side by side. The engine's cool as stories are exchanged, laughter echoing into the evening light. The camera lingers, focusing on the bikes, silent yet commanding, as if the road still hums beneath them. These aren't just machines. They are stories. Every scratch, every mark, every mile speaks of where they've been. Each ride adds to a larger narrative that spans generations, from the wide glides of the 80s to the innovations of today. The screen fades, and black and white archival footage appears. Classic Harley-Davidson models roar down historic highways, blending with modern clips of the 2025 Street Glide. The past and present align, the legacy unbroken. Heritage isn't replicated, it's earned. The 2025 Street Glide carries the soul of the past while embracing the future. As the screen returns to the rider alone on the road, the sun begins its descent. Golden hues cast long shadows across the landscape, and the Street Glide gleams beneath the fading light. Every rider leaves a mark, something left behind in every mile. And with the Street Glide, those miles stretch on endlessly. The bike continues forward, disappearing slowly into the horizon, its exhaust note a soft echo on the wind. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. The road is calling. How will you answer? The screen fades to black. The Harley-Davidson logo emerges, glowing softly in the darkness. Available now. Visit your local Harley-Davidson dealer to schedule a test ride.